Here comes the branch, I think. Timber! And it got stuck. But that's a good thing, because it might have landed on Daddy's head. As you can see, the trees, guys, are in our yard trying to direct the tree so it won't fall on the head. How nice of the tree, guys. Andrew's getting on that branch to help it come to rest it away. And watch that fall when it does. Here it goes.
Let go.
Some more.
Some more. These men are pulling it down, see?
They're pulling the tree down.
Look at that. Now it goes.
It's on rock a little bit.
I love it.
Yeah, just a second, man.
They're pulling the rope.
They're pulling the rope. It's going right now. Here it comes.
There's Andrew.
Way up down in that place. Is it coming down?
That tree came from about right where Andrew is.
Came off that pole right there, see? Right up to feel it. They're pulling. Coming. Coming down, Chloe. Won't you come down? Stupid plant.
They're really trying to keep it from coming on Daddy's head, aren't they?
Hey. Look at that.
There goes Andrew. He's just swung right across there.
Yeah.
He's amazing.
Yeah.
Still, I wouldn't want to have a job like that.
Yeah.
Hey, Andrew, we get that free or done?
Sure.
Yes, sir. We got the rope still tied off. We'll tie it off, screw it to the ground. We got a lot of weight off of it. We're good. Let's go to the house. We are of a like mind then, which kind of scares me.
He's going to cut it looks like.
Here it goes.
Coming.
We got nothing?
There it goes.
Look at Andrew. Kind of behind that dogwood tree, isn't it?
Well, bye-bye for now.
Now you can really see how brave Andrew is. He climbed up from there. Or climbed down, I mean. Got that down. Looks like Andrew there needs to do another cut of his chainsaw. It kind of looks like a weeping willow hanging over there. Andrew is, yeah, I think he's on the ground. Grammy's here too, watching with Monzo. Say hi, Grammy.
Hi, boys. Is it a fun day?
Yeah, it is. Mommy too.
Hi, Mom.
Okay, back to the tree. Just in time to see them pull their ropes, and down it goes. They still have the ropes draped over Daddy's head to keep it from falling on Daddy's head. That's it for now.